Okay. I was able to force it, have one screwdriver like this. I just push it, open one side, and then it come out. Now put the key inside, then try to take it out. Leave everything there, especially this piece. Oh, be careful. I already know where the cuts are, but it doesn't want to come out because of one thing. This piece here holding it. So let me take that piece out. I have something fall down, but I wish I can get it now. You know why? I have one tumbler broke. That's why giving me a hard time. This tumbler broke, that's why. Let me see. Yes, now I can put it back. You know now why it doesn't want to go inside? Because this piece here messed up. So what you need to do is we're going to try to see if we can take it out. Don't know which one, but I believe this one. Yes. Let me see if I can put everything back. Yeah. You see? Everything goes smooth. But look, this one here, it look like it's no good anymore. This one here. It look like it messed up. So we have to take it out slowly. Just like a dentist, I believe the key have to come out. Okay, I don't know what happened to it. I'm gonna take both out. Those tooth have to be out. They have a spring also. The spring can come out later. So now this thing can turn easy. Let me hit it back to take those little spring have to come out. You see. Now I believe this door it will work fine, no problem. If there's another one also no good, we're gonna see. We'll change or is this door cylinder don't belong to this one? So let's see what cut we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7 cuts in the door cylinder, 7 cuts. And we have here 8 cuts. So what cut are we missing? The front or the back? We know from 1, 2, let me see what is this, what these cuts are. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these cuts here, you have numbers on it. Let me get a magnifier and see what number is there. This is 3. Number 3 cuts, that means it's 1. Why? Toyota doesn't put the exact cut. If the depth is 3, it's going to be 1. If the depth is 4, it's going to be 2. If the depth is 2, it's going to be 4. That's how it's go. So right now, this is 3. That means it's 1. Let me see the other one. It's 3. That means 1. But if this is, I'm going to take the last one to see if this is 3. Let me see, take the last one. Some of them 2, some of them is only 1. So let me see this one, what it is. This is 2. 2. 2 is supposed to be what? What I know is it's supposed to be opposite of 2. That's what I know about this one. So if this is 2, this is 2. Okay. What about this one here? I don't want to get confused, but I know Toyota have crazy stuff. This is 3. Three means 1. So is that going to be 2? Let me see which one is going to be. We have 2 and 1. So this is 2 and this is 3. 3 means 1. So we're missing the last pin here. So 2, 1, 2, 1, then we're going to get 2, 2. Let's see this one. What is this? This is 4. 4 that means 2. So this is 6, 7, 8. 7, 6, 7, 8. So we're missing the last cut from the ball. That means we're missing here. If you look at anyhow, you have the idea of how those things are working. The one got stuck was 4, 4, 3, that means 1, 1. 3, 2. Then, but we have something holding us a little bit. Is the key itself messed up? I am not sure. I'm gonna cut a brand new key and see what happens.